Assalamu alaikum kids and parents, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher Miss Sidra and this is your English period. Today we'll learn about the new letter. What day is today? Today is 6th October 2022 and what day is today? Today is Thursday. Okay kids and parents, let's start our work. First, we will revise previous letters. Okay, which letter is this? A apple. B ball. C cake. D duck. E egg. Our new topic is letter F. What is the sound of letter F? Is the sound of letter F. Okay, who can tell me? What is this? Fish. Fish. Fire. Fan. Frog. What is our topic today? Today's our topic is letter F. And what is the sound of letter F? F is the sound of letter F. Okay kids, now you will revise letter F sound and vocabulary words. And thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz. A apple. B ball. C cake. D duck. E egg. And what comes after E? Fish, fire, frog, fan.